So this is a review of the Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 mop for cleaning dry and wet floors. First of all, you can see it's very much like a kind of like a broomstick, but it's actually like a very sturdy material. I've been using a Swiffer sweeper since I bought my first house in 2009. So these things I've stuck by. I had a complete house of hardwood floors for a really long time, and these worked really well. So basically, here's the mop, and you can attach the wet attachments or the dry. I'm going to show you the dry, but it's super simple, dude. All you do is kind of lay that over it, and then you have 4 spots where you just basically insert each side into the Swiffer, and now it's good to go, and you can just run that on the floor and it's going to pick up dust.